Today I'm building a Harry Potter Lego. This is what I built so far. I didn't finish the windows just for these two sides. I finished these two windows, but these windows was from the other fourth video, and I made this like in the second video. Now I'm building the top floor. This is what I build on the outside. This is what I build on the inside. This is the end of part 1.